Hey guys, Merry Christmas. I wanted to do a quick unboxing here on YouTube. It's from Dior. I did send him a couple of things that I wanted for Christmas, so I do think I know what this is. But yeah, let's go ahead and open her up. Alright, so I tried to unbox it on TikTok, but that's not working. But this packaging from Dior is so cute. Let me show you what's inside. How cute! It's the, I think the saddle card holder from Dior, if I'm not correct. But look how cute it is. Oh my gosh, it's so, wow. Try opening it. There is so much space in here. It's gonna hold my cards. I think it'll fit my car key too, but I'll have to show you guys what fits later. But yeah, this is so cute. I love it. I've been wanting a little wallet for a really long time, and I think this one is such a cute piece. I know it's not Louis Vuitton, but this is absolutely amazing as well. So yeah, hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!